The art of cutting a deal. Hey there, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and widely used phrase in English: cut a deal. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means, its origin, and how to use it in your conversations. So, let's get started. Before we delve into the idiomatic meaning, let's look at the words separately. The word cut generally refers to slicing or dividing something, like cutting a piece of paper. Deal can refer to an agreement or an arrangement, often involving business or trade. Now, when we put these words together as cut a deal, the meaning transforms. It doesn't involve any actual cutting. Instead, it's a colloquial phrase that means to make an agreement or to come to a mutual arrangement, often in business contexts. For example, if two businesses cut a deal, they might agree to work together in a partnership or settle on terms of a contract. Understanding a phrase is great, but knowing how to use it in conversations is even better. Here are some examples. 1. After hours of negotiation, they finally cut a deal. 2. If you can cut a deal with the supplier, we can lower our costs. 3. The two companies cut a deal to merge and become more competitive. To expand your vocabulary, here are some similar phrases. Strike a deal, very similar in meaning to cut a deal. Make a deal. This is another way to express coming to an agreement. Seal the deal. This means to finalize an agreement or to clinch a sale. And there you have it. The next time you hear someone mentioning that they cut a deal, you'll know exactly what they're talking about. English is filled with such intriguing phrases, and understanding them will surely make your conversations richer. We hope this video has been enlightening. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beauty of the English language.